So, but you the man now for fuck woman for breathe. Jesus is special.
Yeah, man, I breathe fucking mama.
Hmm?
I breathe.
Jesus make you there, Jesus save you, man.
You are one of them will burn down the place, you know, because I find you won't say Jesus who no say me for dead. Yeah, God thing not real. Because people them hate them one another over God business. God segregate the people them and
So I'm to
each
Selassie.
other.
Who I'm to Selassie?
Selassie him no fuck like and no mud out and dead.
Eh?
When you me?
So
You know, you see a lion him real. Lion him real. Yeah.
so Jesus fuck Batty and sister. So what the difference?
What the difference?
Yeah.
Then the two of them name now the biggest threat to the black and then generation. And then two name they segregate the black race, you know. And the biggest threat to the black and then generation, Selassie and Jesus. Have mercy. You have Bobo, him praise Selassie. Bingy, praise Selassie. Heart Attack, praise Selassie. 12 tribe, praise Selassie. And then walk under one banner. Kiss me rascal. Just another way of making 2 shillings. That thing not real.
So what you say?
When me say any God of me, if I not go sell me little peanut, I go thief and dead be hungry. When me say no God help me, if there's a God will help people and when me God now broke, Beverly Hills, ready to see how people live. If there is a God, and me see me and him in an argument, and me know me not doing nothing. And even though him a rascal, and make you give so much people so much and not give me none. Why you do that to me? And that me and him are in a bumbo cloth argument. That's why I'm hiding now. Then you will walk back around, we are killing pussy cloth again. Because that him come and bust him blood clot, right, and hide, you know.